In this video, I'm replacing my idle air control valve. I was having issues coming to a stop, and it would my car would start choking and pretty much just stalling. So here I'm taking off the air intake plenum, and I'm going to remove the throttle body bolts. There's 3 of them on this one. It's a 4.3 liter V6 Vortec. Take off your throttle body position sensor and take off your idle air control connectors. This is your idle air control. There's a new one. And it fits tighter because the O-ring is newer. Here I'm going back and forth on the screws, untightening them. And I get them nice and tight. Not too tight because you don't want to strip them. Again, we put it back the same way we took it off. Alright, tip. Before you put your throttle body back on, put the cable on first. It might help you. Try everything by hand. Put the connectors back where they go. Start her up. Everything seems fine. Take it for a test drive. And cross another one off the list. Yeah, my dudes.